Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks Part 5. Real quick, while those other videos were loading, I started thinking, if you look at, don't do that. If you look at this one and you move it around, see what I call fragmented line, it would be really hard to edit that one. So let's take both these and let's left click, right click. And this is what I mean. If you were going to try to fix something in there, on his antler, let's just take it apart and let's see, if like right there, pretty rough. Well, on the other one, it's still there, but it's a lot easier to get to. Always try to keep your disc size smaller so you won't get two lines at one time. And because you don't want to mess up that other side. And they can be a little bit rough, they're antlers. And then also, if you look at things like I probably missed this part of the feature of the nose, well, we can take the Smart Fill tool, fill that in, and put it into our new one, our cleaner one. And especially if you're going to do things twice like I did, we could move that down and put it in there. And then when you fill this in with black again, it'll look really good. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.